Put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Sunday and we're going to the movies. We're gonna see The Little Mermaid and I'm really excited. Waiting on Troy as usual. He was waiting on me, but now I'm waiting on him. I am ready first and we're ready to go. Who's not ready is getting left behind. Babe, I'm ready. What are you getting? Oh, you're turning on to that? Troy, come on, let's go. Let's go. It's 8:44. We are on schedule. We are on schedule. Because last time we went to the movie theater, it was like we were late for one. Were we late? I'm not even sure. But something happened. And then Troy bought tickets for the wrong movie. He bought tickets for the wrong movie. But like, we're going to go see The Little Mermaid. I'm excited because I heard it's really good. Yep. Okay. Let's go. Lens is getting steamy.
Shorty off a Finsta, just the one really is a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional.
Hey guys, so we are in our seats. This is the first time we're doing like the low spot, and I'm enjoying it. Like I like this little tray thing that comes right here. It's like eat my food, you know, I drink my drink, and I think they even serve alcohol too. So, and they're so comfy and like they recline. Like, this is a bed. This is pretty much a bed right now. But yeah, that's really nice. Troy has, I don't even know where he went, but you can like order food from like this QR code right here. And I haven't been to this Paragon, but I've been to the one in Coral Springs, and their food is like, it's pretty good. It's good like movie theater food. But yeah, we're getting a pizza and a drink ready at dinner, so we're not really hungry, and it's pretty late. It's 9:09. The movie starts at 9:15. I'm so excited. Because I've been hearing like really good things about The Little Mermaid, and it's like one of my favorite Disney movies, so I'm super excited. Guys, the seats are heated. Can you press this little button? They're heated. This feels good. Wesley, come on. Wes. Guys, Troy got me flowers yesterday and they're so pretty. So pretty. This is all that I got from juicing all that ginger. So next time you're in the grocery store and you're wondering, should I get that juice shot for $3? Definitely get it, because it's worth it. Because all that ginger and this little juice, like, oh my god, it's so little. I'm wondering if I should dilute it with some water, or like, I don't know. I'm gonna put it in like these little shot containers that I'm gonna get from IKEA tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, let's do a little unboxing. So I received a few beauty products from Merit. If you haven't heard of them before, they are a minimalist beauty brand. They create products that are safe for the body, skin, and also the planet. All their products are non-comedogenic, which means they are formulated with ingredients that will not clog your pores. Your first order ships with this very cute makeup bag, so make sure to click the link in my description box to shop Merit. So right here I'm using the bronze balm in the shade Cyan. I applied it to my face and I also used a brush to blend it in. It was so easy to blend and it was also very lightweight. So this product would be great for the summertime when it's really hot and you don't want to wear like a lot of makeup. Next up, I used the blush balm in the color Stockholm. This is a pretty baby pink. It was very pigmented and I also like that it left a subtle glow. It was also easy to blend and it's quite buildable, so if you want it to look even brighter, you can apply more. Don't forget to shop Merit by clicking the link in the description box. Hey guys, so it's Thursday and I'm about to get myself some lunch. I'm gonna get myself Chick-fil-A. I need to go to Target and I need to go to where else, I don't remember, but I'm just gonna apply some deodorant right now because let me see if you guys can fit on my tripod without screwing this on. Okay. You need to apply some deodorant. I haven't been vlogging because I've been sick for the past few days, like really sick. Yeah, like I'm still kind of getting back my voice. I had like a really bad sore throat and yeah, I was just dying pretty much, but I'm feeling a bit better. except I have like this cough. Yeah, phone, keys, need keys, be right back with out the door. Yeah, so I'm feeling a bit better. My voice is still a bit like, ugh, but yeah, we're doing great. So yeah, I'm going to Chick-fil-A. I've been craving some Chick-fil-A, and their lemonade, their lemonade is so good. So I'm gonna get myself a little health count. Yeah, hopefully I'm not looking around, make sure nobody's like in their car like watching me vlog right now, but yeah, I need to go to Target because I need to get in here is really loud. Like, I'm not even gonna vlog right now. In here is just too loud. Like, that thing in the garage is making like a lot of noise. But yeah, I need to go to Target because I need to get like hand soap for the bathroom and the kitchen. Like, both the hand soaps are finishing, are almost done. This car needs gas. But yeah, oh, and I also need to get like my edge control. But yeah, I don't really have a lot of things to get, but I'll probably bring you guys, or not, like look around. Like, I always look around in Target. But yeah, I have like the Meritbeauty stuff on right now. I really like it. I think it's cute. I really like the blush. Like I said, I have a cough, like a dry cough. I'm gonna go, usually I just like to bring my food home and eat and relax, you know. So I'm wondering if I should save that for last. I was listening to Summer Walker's like album, not the new one, the what's the name of this one? The one when it's like a pinkish cover. What's the name of that one? That's like my favorite one. I used to listen to that like so much. That one, like, beg me, 'cause I love you. Like the pink, that pinkish looking one. That's my favorite one. 'Cause you. Pimple on my jawline. I'm waiting for her to be like really ripe so I can just pop her. Just pop her. On the tree. I should know better. I have to stop at the ATM. No, we're heading to Target. Yeah, only getting 3 things: hand soaps, hair edge things for my edges, paper towels, 3 things, and I'm gonna look around, you know, browse a bit. the Chick-fil-A. Oh my god, it took quite some time. They were so backed up. I went to the one at the mall since I was right across from them, so I was like, let's just go there. Okay. I didn't know there was a Panda Express in the mall. The food looked really good. I haven't had a Panda Express in like the longest time, but I think like a few weeks ago I was feeling for Panda Express and I didn't know like any Panda Expresses in the area. But good to know. Like Troy made some stuff last night and he was like, I left you some if you want to eat it, and then I'm like, thank you babe, but I don't want it. Like I don't want it. I don't want no vegetables right now. I don't know, he just like whenever he's trying to be on his little health kick, he just like goes overboard. And like healthy food doesn't gotta be nasty. Like it really doesn't gotta be nasty. Not saying that his broccoli little stir fry thing is nasty, but it's just like it's just doing too much. I'm gonna drink my lemonade. Drink this little lemonade. Car needs gas, but I didn't know that. Hey guys, so I ate my Chick-fil-A and like clearly I'm home now. So we got a package from Skims, Miss Kimberly. Okay, so this is my first time getting their swimwear. They dropped like some new colors and my voice is like clearly not here. But they dropped a few colors. I saw that they had an orange one and I'm kind of obsessed with orange right now. So I picked it up, I ordered it and it came. I got like your little bag because I needed $1 more to get free shipping, and then the bag was cheaper than free shipping, so cheaper than paying shipping. So yeah, so this is the color right here. I got the, what's this style called? I don't know, but it's like the little, you know, the itty bitty thong. These are the type of bikinis that I like. Okay, great for tanning. I like those. And then I got the like triangle top. Okay, really cute. I don't remember like how much. They probably were like $30-something each, you know. So yeah, it looks like that, and I got a small. I'm so glad I went with a small for the bottom because they fit perfectly. If I had gotten a medium, they would have been way too big. So great that I got small. The material feels really good. The quality is like really good. The stitching is really good. They're definitely worth the price. The only thing that I don't like is the raw cuts on these. They could have like definitely could have stitched them down. Like for the price, you could have stitched them down, Kim. You could have stitched them down. But overall, they're great, and I'm definitely gonna get like some other colors, like the nude color, ochre, like that color. I'm definitely gonna get that color. That color is pretty, and then the black one, I would just get those other two. But anyways, I'm gonna go sit down and rest my voice because I'm like I'm just not it right now. I'm looking for my lemonade. I'm just not it right now. I'm trying to do this voiceover and it's like my voice keeps just betraying me. Anyway, so I'm gonna go now, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Farewell to you, my friend. Good morning. So it's Friday. I start my day off with some green tea. I'm trying to watch the news a bit to see what's going on in the world. And then I started watching Wesley. You know, every time you sit down, he gets one of his toys so you guys can play. Let's see which one he picks for today. The orange one. This one is really, really squeaky, and Troy was still sleeping, but I still played with him, you know. I knew his game. I knew what his game was. I picked it up and like threw it, and like, you know, he's off. Ate some breakfast, eggs, toast, and then I got my like daily dose of the Lord. And you know, we gotta keep the relationship with God strong. I got my Celsius and my little immunity shot. I'm still feeling sick, so I'm trying to get better. And we're ready for the gym. You see that booty? She is getting plumped. Okay, girl. Got back home. Nurse Troy made the bed, and he did it like almost as good as I make it. He lit some candles. He's so cute. There's one in the living room. And then we watched some Love Island. We're watching the new season. It's pretty good so far. Like, you know, it's spicy. It has potential. And then West is like right in the middle. He's just like always in the middle. And we ate some ice cream, like the salted caramel truffle. So good. So good.
Great, perfect. That's perfect. Or nothing. I normally just my go-to is the same outfit. I don't even think I showed y'all, but these pants I got from Zara. Get some coffee at this new now for getting sheet bakes together with and start. That's so nice. Already good? You guys having that so that's gonna be a sandwich box. Good. About this here. I'm gonna put what it look like right here. Put it there in the name. And this is definitely dirty. Okay. Oh my god. That's such a cute outfit. But I got you guys, you don't want to too big or too small. And right
Okay guys, so I just did my skincare. I'm about to make some tea right now. I'm all glazed up like a donut, okay? Like a donut. Yummy donut. Got my hot water. Gonna make me some tea. Some green tea. Y'all know the vibes. Some green tea. We're on our little green tea kick. This has really been helping with my bloating. I drink like green tea in the morning and at night before bed. Are you guys straight? I don't know, but this is the one. This is the one that I drink right here. This brand, and I get the decaffeinated because I don't need caffeine to go to bed. And I'm also a very caffeine sensitive. Like yesterday I had a Celsius, and was it yesterday? I don't remember, but I had a Celsius and haven't been drinking like Celsius in a while because I've been sick, so I've been like working out like that intense and everything. So yeah, I didn't go to bed until like 5 in the morning this morning. So I don't like that. I need to sleep. But yeah, usually I'll take like melatonin. Last night, I don't know, I just didn't take melatonin. I don't know why. But yeah, we're not doing that tonight. We're getting sleep. I'm gonna put a slice of lemon in this and some honey. Sometimes I'll just drink it like this with like nothing in it. But since it's bedtime, you know, I want something like a little something, you know, a little something. I put like a little lemon wedge, well, not a wedge, a slice. I cut them up and like put them in here, so it's just easy, accessible. And then I'm gonna add some honey. This is the honey that we get. It's raw, unfiltered honey, Florida honey. Okay, it's supposed to be 100% real honey. I just do a this is a teaspoon, so I just do a teaspoon of that. Yeah, that's my nightly tea. I'm like a little old lady. This is definitely giving old lady vibes. What time is it? It's 11:26. Troy isn't here. He was here, but then he left. He went to Top Golf with his co-workers, so he's not gonna be back in until like later, because Top Golf closes at 1. So maybe I'll be asleep, maybe I won't be asleep. Hopefully I'm asleep. Like, I'm hoping that I'm asleep. But yeah, I need to get my laptop because I need to finish. Oops, girl, I almost knocked the tea over. Like, the tea was a goner. It's gonna be a goner. It's gonna be all over. I have you guys on my tripod. But yeah, I lit my candle. This is one of the new candles Troy got me. This is like my favorite like brand of candles, like that you can get like at Marshall's and like TJ Maxx and like those stores. This brand, I really like it. Like, they actually, like, you can actually smell them. That's why I like them. Like, some brands you can't really smell, and they're really cheap. They're like $7.99. And then I have my humidifier on. This should be, I don't know honestly, but it's supposed to help me with my cough and my sore throat. Remember, I had like a really bad sore throat, so it's supposed to help. It's supposed to help with that, so hopefully it's helping. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's supposed to make the air like really moist and like not dry. And then yeah, I got it on Amazon if you guys want to check it out or anything. It's really easy to operate. Just put water in it and turn it on. And it was only $20. It was like really inexpensive, so that's a plus. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch some TV and take my pillows off. Put them over this little corner right here. That's where I put the pillows. But yeah, I'm gonna sign off for today. Well, for the vlog, I'm ending the vlog right now. Maybe I should like end it out there in the light. Next pillow. In here smells so good. Feels so fresh and nice. I need my bonnet. Wait, this is not the one that I like to use. This is not the one I want to use right now. This is the one that has, like, I can't get the full pink ones anymore. I don't want to wear like a black bonnet, like that's not here. I don't wear like a pink bonnet. And like pink is my favorite color, so yeah. Put my bonnet on. Wait, I'm gonna tell you guys when in the vlog. I need my laptop with me right now because I'm gonna upload the vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna be ending the vlog. Hold up, wait a minute. Okay guys, so I'm closing out the vlog. Like this video if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, love you.
It's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it.